Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let me discuss SQL interview questions for data analyst. What is SQL? Answer: SQL. Structured Query Language is a standard programming language used for managing and manipulating relational databases. It allows users to query, insert, update, delete, and manage data. What is a primary key? Answer: a primary key is a column or a set of columns in a table that uniquely identifies each row in the table. Primary keys must contain unique values and cannot contain null values. What is a foreign key? Answer: a foreign key is a column or a set of columns in one table that uniquely identifies rows in another table. It establishes a relationship between the two tables and ensures referential integrity. Explain the difference between inner join and left join. Answer: inner join returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. Left join or left outer join returns all rows from the left table and the matched rows from the right table. If there is no match, the result is null on the side of the right table. What is normalization? Answer: normalization is the process of organizing data in a database to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It involves dividing a database into two or more tables and defining relationships between the tables to minimize duplication. What are indexes in SQL? Answer: indexes are database objects that improves the speed of data retrieval operations on a table at the cost of additional space and decreased performance on a data modification operations. They can be created on columns to enhance query performance. What is a subquery? Answer: a subquery is a query nested inside another query. It is used to perform an operation in one query based on the result of another query. What is the difference between where and having clauses? Answer: the where clauses is used to filter rows before any groupings are made, while the having clauses is used to filter groups after the group by operation. Explain the use of the group by clauses. Answer: the group by clauses is used to group rows that have the same values in specified columns into summary rows like count, sum, average, etc. What is a union operation? Answer: union is used to combine the results of two or more select statements. Each select statements within the union must have the same number of columns in the result sets with similar data types. It removes duplicate rows from the result set. What is the difference between union and union all? Answer: union removes duplicate records, whereas union all includes all duplicates. What are aggregate functions in SQL? Answer: aggregate functions perform calculations on a set of values and return a single value. Common aggregate functions include count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum. Explain the concept of a view in SQL. Answer: a view is a virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement. It contains rows and columns just like a real table and can be used to simplify complex queries, enhance security, and present data in a specific format. What is a stored procedure? Answer: a stored procedure is a prepared SQL code that you can save and reuse. In other words, you can execute the SQL code whenever you need it. What is a trigger in SQL? Answer: a trigger is a special kind of stored procedure that automatically runs when certain events occur in the database, such as insert, update, or delete operations. What are the different types of joins in SQL? Answer: the different types of joins in SQL include inner join, left join or left outer join, right join or right outer join, full join or full outer join, and cross join. How do you optimize a SQL query? Answer: SQL query optimization can be done by using indexes, avoiding unnecessary columns in select statements, minimizing the use of subqueries and complex joins, using where clauses effectively, and analyzing the query execution plan. What is the difference between delete and truncate? Answer: delete removes rows from a table based on the condition provided in the where clauses and can be rolled back. Truncate removes all rows from a table without logging individual row deletions and cannot be rolled back. Explain the difference between a clustered and a non-clustered index. Answer: a clustered index determines the physical order of data in a table and can only be one per table. A non-clustered index does not alert the physical order of a data and can be multiple per table. What is the purpose of the SQL keyword distinct? Answer: the distinct keyword is used to remove duplicate rows from a result set, returning only unique values. What is a composed key? Answer: a composed key is a primary key that consists of two or more columns used to uniquely identify a row in a table. What is a self-join? Answer: a self-join is a regular join but the table is joined with itself. This can be useful for comparing rows within the same table. What is the difference between SQL and non-SQL? Answer: SQL databases are relational and use structured query language for defining and manipulating data. They are table-based and have a predefined schema. Non-SQL databases are non-relational, distributed, and generally schemaless. They can be document-based, key-value pairs, wide columns stores, or graph databases. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.